Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money online by creating YouTube Shorts and generating passive income. YouTube Shorts is the hottest trend right now, and there's a massive opportunity for you to cash in on it. In this video, we'll break down the steps to get started and reveal some strategies for turning those short videos into a stream of income. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our valuable content. Section 1. Getting started with YouTube Shorts. Alright, let's start with the basics. If you're new to YouTube Shorts, it's essentially YouTube's answer to the short-form video craze. Think of it like TikTok, but on YouTube. Create a YouTube channel. If you don't already have one, create a YouTube channel. Access the Shorts camera, open the YouTube app on your mobile device, and click on the plus sign at the bottom to access the Shorts camera. Record short videos, record engaging and attention-grabbing videos. Remember, shorts are vertical, under 60 seconds, and are all about quick, snappy content. Add music and effects, enhance your shorts with music and creative effects to make them stand out. Section 2. Monetizing your YouTube Shorts. Now that you know how to create shorts, let's talk about how to turn them into passive income streams. Join the YouTube Partner Program. To monetize your shorts, you'll need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Enable advertisements. Once you're eligible, enable ads on your shorts. These ads will appear before or during your shorts, and you'll earn revenue based on views and engagement. Promote affiliate products. You can also include affiliate links in your video description to earn a commission when viewers make a purchase through your links. Section 3. Strategies for maximizing income. Now, let's discuss some strategies for maximizing your passive income with YouTube Shorts. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, and build a community around your channel. Optimize your shorts. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to improve discoverability. Collaborate with others. Collaborations can help you reach a broader audience and gain more subscribers. Section 4. Analyzing and adapting. Last but not least, it's crucial to analyze your performance and adapt your strategy. Use YouTube Analytics. Monitor your analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Stay informed. Keep up with YouTube's policies and trends in the short space. This will help you stay ahead of the curve. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money online by creating YouTube Shorts and generating passive income. Remember, building a successful channel takes time and effort. But with dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into profit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.